In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to embroider an In-the-Hoop Holly Napkin. Perfect for these holiday season decorations. Let's get started. For this holly napkin, we're gonna need a 7-inch hoop. For your napkin, we're gonna grab a store-bought napkin. For the leaf green fabric, we're gonna need a 4.5-inch by 7-inch folded in half lengthwise. For the red fabric, we're gonna need a 2.5-inch by 2.5-inch fabric. For the stabilizer, we're gonna use a wash-away stabilizer. We're gonna need some double curved scissors, appliqué scissors, some masking tape, and optionally a temporary fabric adhesive spray, as well as I'm gonna use a chopstick to keep the fabric flattened while it's embroidering. Let's get started. Step 1 is to hoop your stabilizer. Make sure that your stabilizer is taut and feels like a drum. Now we're gonna bring this onto the machine to stitch the placement line for the napkin. Now that we have the stitched placement line for the napkin, we're gonna grab our napkin and line up the corner of the napkin to the placement lines and secure it with tape. Now we're going to stitch the placement line for the leaves. So let's take this back onto the embroidery machine. Now with the stitched placement line for the leaves, we're going to lay the leaf fabric over top and secure it with tape. Bring this onto the machine to stitch the tack-down line. With the tack-down line now in place, we're going to carefully trim away the excess fabric close to this stitching line. Now let's stitch the placement line for the berries. Lay the berry fabric on top and let's secure it with tape. Now let's stitch the tack-down line. And just how we did with the leaf fabric, we're going to carefully trim around the tack-down line. Let's bring this back to the machine to stitch the satin borders for the leaves and the berries. The embroidery is now done. Let's remove it from the hoop and trim away excess stabilizer, being careful to not cut into any of the satin stitches. Now use warm water to dissolve the wash-away stabilizer. When you're done, lay it flat to dry and press the wrong side up with an iron. After it's been dried, you now have an In-the-Hoop Holly Napkin. Now don't forget, you can always mix your fabrics as well as your threads to make different combinations for a beautiful result. And our In-the-Hoop Holly Napkins are ready to be put on our dinner table. We hope you guys enjoyed learning how to create these, and happy holidays. We'll catch you guys in the next tutorial.